I love pancakes, but I really love to make them from scratch, but that takes a lot more time to do. So it's so much easier to just go and grab the pancake mix, which is why I made my Bisquick mix, which can also be used to make pancakes. So if you're interested in seeing that video, take a look in the description below. For this one, I'm going to use 2 cups of my Bisquick mix. And then I have 2 cups of milk that's already been pre-measured. I'll start by pouring in only half of this and mix that together. Kind of depends on what I'm going for that day. Okay, so that's definitely going to be too thick, right? So now I'll pour in another half of that. So now it's got about 75% in, so like a cup and a half. Some people like a really thick pancake. Some people like it a lot more thin. I'm kind of somewhere in the middle, I suppose. My husband likes them thinner though, so I tend to lean that direction when I'm cooking for him. Okay, and it's still pretty thick, but not too thick. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'd say that's just a little bit more than 1 3/4 cup. I then use a 1/3 cup measure to add a scoop of my pancake mix to a greased pan. I can tell that the pancake is ready to be flipped over when the edges start to look a little less shiny, a little more done, and it begins to have bubbles that will show up and start to pop on the top of it. The second side of the pancake doesn't usually take as long, especially if you've turned it at the right point. If you turn it before it's ready, then it might take a little bit longer to do. And you can see that this pancake is just nice and light and fluffy and everything that you would want a pancake to be. And then for the taste tester, always my favorite part, especially around lunchtime. Light and fluffy and perfect.